Let's talk about stoma construction. First, I want to explain an end stoma. With an end stoma, the surgeon will bring one end of the intestine out onto the abdominal wall. And then what they do is fold the end over like a cuff and then suture it down to the body. An end stoma is going to have one opening in it. We frequently call this the lumen. The next type of stoma that could be created with an ostomy is a loop stoma. And loop stomas are frequently done when the surgeon feels like this is going to be a temporary procedure. With a loop stoma, the surgeon makes an opening into the abdominal wall, pulls up a loop of the intestine. Now, they typically are going to stabilize this with some type of rod or a bridge or maybe even some type of catheter. Now, to allow the stool to get out, the surgeon is going to make an incision into this piece of intestine, fold it back on itself. And when it's folded back on itself, you can see now there are going to be two openings right here. We are going to have one opening that's going to drain stool, and the other opening, which is going to be called the mucus fistula, is going to allow mucus to drain from the body. Now, sometimes you'll see loop stomas that kind of look like this, but sometimes surgeons perfect them just a little bit more, and you can see more. There you go. You can sometimes see the two openings like that. So those are the two type stomas that we typically see with our colostomies, ileostomies, and our urostomies. For more information, go to Ostomy Basics at ostomy101.com.